Tinuod. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a affordable Shopee haul, and this time we are doing the unboxing of the unboxing of a ring light that I got. Yay! If interested, then please keep on watching. So guys, I got this package right here. Thank you for the sponsor. So it's a ring light. They sent it to me. And let's do unboxing. And for assembling and like review on it, I'll be doing it probably in a couple of days about the review, if it's worth buying, worth purchasing, how good the material is. But right now we're just gonna do the like unboxing and then turning it on, and then that's it. Okay, let's make it quick. Okay, so I got it here, sent, package, delivered. I remember the day it was delivered. It was rainy day, and it was not a courier. I don't know, but I will open this up for you guys. Okay, so I think I chose the 32 or 36. It's a little bit bigger. I want a little bit bigger. Mine was already broken. It needs a fixing. Mine was a 18-inch ring light. It was from Interfit. Interfit Stellar. It's a long time ago, and it needs fixing, and I don't have the like parts for my ring light, so I gotta do so I need to get one, and then good thing I have someone offered, you know. Okay, so oh, it's a 14-inch. Ta-da! It's a 14-inch. I thought it was 12. Yes, it's perfect, guys. So it's a little bit smaller than what I got. So let's see if anything is not broken, because the last time I bought a light was broken. Yes. Let's make it.
Yeah, those things are kind of hard.
I know, kind of hard. So I will just like open it up if there's any broken or not. Yay! I got a ring light. I thought it was the purple one, but actually it's different. Ooh, it's nice, right? Blue. Thank you. Okay, let's see how to open. Okay, so ring fill light. Oh, ring fill light. Okay, in the back, like that. Right, so okay, going to open. Oh, there's a scotch tape. Okay, let's see. I hope there's nothing broken in this. I got a phobia on the other one. Okay, guys, so let's open. You got this one right here, like the USB. Okay, and then you got the holder for the like your camera here. Wow, it's very sturdy too. It's very sturdy too, so it's good. And you got the here for the cell phone. You do a selfie like so. Actually, I don't really need. Actually, I probably I need this. And it's a good material too. It's not that really like those plasticky one. This is, I think it's very durable. I think I like it. Okay, ring light now here. It's facing down. You can see here. Thankfully, it's not broken. For a price, put it here. Okay, because I don't really remember how much is this. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, so if you have a like a stand, I didn't get a stand because I have so many stands already. So here you got here, and then the light over here. Okay, I will turn it on right now. I'm not so sure if I plug into a computer it will work. I think it will do. Let's try it on. Let's plug in. Just want to test it. Okay, it's plugged in. And then, okay, the switch is here. Okay, I got here. I need a glasses. Glasses, paitan kiguang ka ba? Glasses on. Oh my god, it's very too. Ha? Ilong pa. Tolo pa. Magkatawa ko na. Okay. Alright, switch is here. What is it? Got a blue thing here, no? And then what is it? Okay, turn it on. Oh, diba? Oh, yes. Okay. Right? Okay. Okay, and then let's see. Oh, wow, guapa. Wow, guapa. Okay, so I think this is warm. No, warm. And then is that it? Wala siya adjustment. Ayun, warm. O, diba? Mag-vlog tayo. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Dito ngayon, nag-vlog tayo. Maganda siya, no? Diba? Compare here, okay? And then here. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Diba? Cute. Okay, that's warm. And then next one. Okay, that's daylight. Wow, it's very pretty. No? This is really good because I need this for makeup tutorial at night. And this is very helpful. So yes, diba? No difference? Okay, that's the difference. And then I put it on. Yes, and on. Okay? The difference right there. No ring light, just natural lighting. And then here you go for the white, cool white. Yeah, cool white. Isn't that pretty? I think it's pretty. Okay, so I think it's working, guys. Okay, that's cool warmth, and then blue. Okay, again. Okay, that's cool warm, no warmth, and then warmer, and then daylight. I think daylight is so beautiful. I like that. And adjustable for like how bright it is. Got here plus and minus here. Let's do bright, more bright. No, it's not working. That's the brightest. Then dim. Okay, and then let's do more. Okay, broken. That's the brightest already. And then if we were to do like just a little bit to make it more natural, I think that's it. Alright, I think I like it, huh? It's so pretty. It looks cute now. Okay, I think I like that. Okay, so this is it. This is our unboxing of this ring light right here. Thank you so much. Okay, and for more, if this works or if this would last, longevity, quality, duration, and everything like that, hoping that this would last for long because it's very affordable. Ring light, easy to assemble, and yes, assembling will be, I'll be turning it. Okay, so you will see how it looks, and yes, I like it so far. This is it. This is our unboxing of this ring light. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye.